Hello everyone, and welcome to the Boolean Operators video presentation. My name is Tariana Smith and I am the reference librarian. It is very important that you all remember the importance of Boolean operators and what they are used for. They are simply three words. However, they are very important in the research process for students as they are located within primarily all of your databases. They are really going to be used to help you narrow and tailor your results to get the information that you need. Now, you are probably asking yourself or probably wondering what exactly is a Boolean operator? Well, a Boolean operator or Boolean operators are simple words and or and not that are used as conjunctions to combine or exclude keywords in a search. Boolean operators are used within the databases to really help you tailor your search terms to get the information that you need. What is the purpose of a Boolean operator? Well, the purpose or function of a Boolean operator is going to vary depending upon which one you are using, and or and not. However, the primary purposes of the Boolean operators are to 1. Broaden or expand your search results, 2. Narrow or reduce your search results, 3. To exclude certain terms from your search results, as well as to provide more focused and productive results for the researcher or the user. And it also allows the researcher or user to mold the desired results to their particular research needs. The first Boolean operator I'm going to discuss with you is AND, which I would like to call it the primary in Boolean operator because a lot of students tend to use this while they are searching within databases. It is used to narrow the results for the researcher. It requires both key terms or all of your key terms to be present within the document, the results list, or the items that you have returned within the databases. And if one term appears in the document and not the other, the source will not appear on your results list. So again, Boolean operator AND is used to really narrow your results and that all of your search terms that you would like to appear within the databases, within your sources, if you use the Boolean operator AND, then all of your search terms should appear within your results list. So on this slide, I am providing a visual diagram just to kind of show you what it would look like to use the Boolean operator and the type of results that you would get back once you have completed a search. So for example, if you have two key terms that you are searching within an online database, in this example, one of those terms would be the word apple and the other term would be the word grapes. So using the Boolean operator and searching for both of those key terms, at the end of it all, you would only receive results or sources, academic articles that include both the key terms apple and grapes in them. So it's very important, especially when you are trying to narrow your results, to definitely use the Boolean operator and because it really is going to help you find those articles or those results that have all of your search terms that you were looking for. The next Boolean operator I'm going to discuss with you all is the term OR, which acts as the opposite to the Boolean operator AND. OR is used to broaden the results for the researcher. It requires either of the key terms to be present within the document, results list, or the items that are returned. OR is definitely going to be used to broaden your results in that, for example, if you were searching for 3 search terms within a database, if you use the Boolean operator OR as a conjunction between all of your search terms, that means that you are telling the database that either of your search terms can appear in all of the resources or sources that you get back within the database, but not necessarily all three of them. So you could get articles geared towards one specific search term, but not the other two, and so on and so forth, which is really going to broaden your results. The or another way that you can use the Boolean operator or is within search boxes. Within databases, there are always multiple ways to say the same thing, or what I would like to call them interchangeable terms. So, for example, there are multiple ways to say the word teenager. You could use youth, you could use adolescence, you could use teens, things of that nature. So, depending upon what terms are utilized within certain databases, using the Boolean operator or within your search boxes will definitely be beneficial to definitely give you that search across all of those search terms so that you can get the information that you need. Here is an example or a visual diagram for what your search results would look like if you were to use the Boolean operator or. So again, for example, we are going to use the key terms apple and grapes. And if you were to use the Boolean operator or, then for your results, all of the articles or sources that you get back could either include information on the term apple or on the key term grapes, however, not necessarily both of those key terms. Last but certainly not least, I would like to introduce to you all the Boolean operator not. Now, not can be taken literally. If you use the Boolean operator not, it is used to exclude certain terms from the result list or any of the sources that you get back. The first term will be included within the results list or the items returned. However, whichever term that is followed by the Boolean operator not when you are searching will then be excluded from the search results. So, for example, if there is anything that is popping up or certain terms that you do not want to appear within your search results, as long as those search terms appear after the Boolean operator not within your search boxes, then those particular terms will not be included in your results list. Now, here is a visual diagram if you were to use the Boolean operator not. The little equal sign with the slash through equates to using the Boolean operator not. So my key terms for this particular search would be the word Mexico and the other word would be city. Now, for example, if you are doing some sort of search on Mexico. Of course, if you type in Mexico, then everything pertaining to Mexico, including Mexico City, New Mexico, everything with the word or term Mexico in it will appear within your results list. However, if you use the Boolean operator not, and after that operator, you put in the key term city, that means that as a part of your results, the term city would definitely be excluded from your results. So you may receive results such as New Mexico, Mexico, things pertaining to Mexico trade, but you would never ever see the result Mexico City because the term city was chosen to be excluded from your search results when you use the Boolean operator not. Now for the takeaways from this video presentation. Please remember that the Boolean operator AND narrows the search results, the Boolean operator OR broadens your search results, and using the Boolean operator NOT excludes certain terms from your search results. The purpose of using your Boolean operators is to provide more focused and accurate results for the researcher or user. Here at the Leonard S. Washington Memorial Library or SUNO Library, we are here to assist you all in any way that we possibly can. Our contact information is provided. Please give us a phone call if you need any assistance with anything or need some information pertaining to the library resources and services that we offer. And please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to our SUNO Library channel so that you can receive notifications and alerts whenever we upload new video presentations and tutorials for you. Have a great day.